हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, दिस इज डॉक्टर रवि सैनी। आज जो हम सेक्शन डील कर रहे हैं वो है स्केलेटल मसल। सो नाउ लेट्स एग्जामिन अ स्केलेटल मसल इन डिटेल टू अंडरस्टैंड द स्ट्रक्चर एंड मैकेनिज्म ऑफ contraction. Each organized skeletal muscle in our body is made up of a number of muscle bundles or fascicles held together by a common collagenous connective tissue layer called fascia. So एक मसल के अंदर there are several muscle bundles or fascicles, and these muscle bundle and fascicles are held together by a connective tissue called fascia. So each muscle bundle contains a number of muscle fibers. In this diagram we can appreciate that this is a fascicle or muscle bundle. These are the muscle bundles. In between these muscle bundles, this connective tissue, there is a connective tissue, and each muscle bundle contains several muscle fibers, which is also called muscle cell. Each muscle fiber is covered by a membrane called sarcolemma, and these are the various blood capillaries. So each muscle bundle contains a number of muscle fibers, and each muscle is having various muscle bundles or fascicles which are held together by a connective tissue called fascia. Each muscle fiber is lined by the plasma membrane called sarcolemma, which encloses the sarcoplasm. Muscle fiber is a syncytium as the sarcoplasm contains many nuclei. So जो एक fascicle है या एक muscle bundle है, उसमें there are several muscle fibers which are also called muscle cell. So एक muscle cell जो है in which there are several nuclei, that's why it is called syncytium, and this muscle fiber or muscle cell is covered by a membrane which is called sarcolemma, and the protoplasm which is present in this muscle fiber or muscle cell is called sarcoplasm, and which contains many nuclei. The endoplasmic reticulum, that is called sarcoplasmic reticulum in case of muscle fibers, is the storehouse of calcium ions. A characteristic feature of the muscle fiber is the presence of large number of parallelly arranged filaments in the sarcoplasm called myofilaments or myofibrils. So एक मसल बंडल में और मसल फाइबर में देर आर सेवरल मसल फाइबर्स, और एक मसल फाइबर में और मसल सेल में देर आर सेवरल फिलामेंट्स. These are called myofilaments or myofibrils. So each myofibril has alternate dark and light bands on it. A detailed study of myofibril has established that striated appearance is due to the distribution pattern of two important proteins. The first one is the actin and myosin. So जो मायोफाइब्रिल है इनमें ऑल्टरनेट डार्क और लाइट बैंड्स प्रेजेंट होते हैं, और ये जो डार्क और लाइट बैंड्स हैं these are because of presence of actin and myosin protein. The light band contains actin and is called I band or isotropic band. जो लाइट बैंड है उसे हम यहाँ आई बैंड और आइसोट्रोपिक बैंड भी बोल रहे हैं, एंड it contains actin protein, whereas in case of dark band it is called A band or an isotropic band which contains myosin protein. So both the proteins are arranged as rod-like structures parallel to each other and also to the longitudinal axis of myofibrils. Actin filaments are thinner as compared to myofilaments. तो जो actin filament है वो myosin filament से thin होते हैं, hence commonly called thin and thick filaments respectively. तो जो actin filament है उसको हम thin filament भी बोल रहे हैं, और जो myosin filament है उसको हम thick filament भी बोलते हैं. In the center of the each band there is an elastic fiber called Z-line which bisects it. The thin filaments are firmly attached to the Z-line. The thick filament in the A band are also held together in the middle of this band by a thin fibrous membrane called M line. The A and I bands are arranged alternatively throughout the length of the myofibril. The portion of the myofibril between two successive Z lines is considered as the functional unit of contraction and is called sarcomere. In a resting state, the edges of thin filaments on either side of the thick filaments partially overlap the free ends of the thick filaments, leaving the central part of the thick filament. This central part of thick filament not overlapped by thin filament is called H zone. With the help of diagram, we can easily appreciate that these are the alternative light and dark bands. Between there is a Z line. This one is a light band. This one is a dark band. So this one is the structure of one sarcomere. In one sarcomere, it is present between two Z lines. This one is the A band, which is dark band because presence of myosin filament, and this one is the light band, presence of actin protein or actin filament.